Today is a Bella Phil Fun Day. Working on this patient and helping her with some mid-phase volume replacement. Already put one Bella Phil syringe over here. She's had some Bella Phil syringes before. So Bella Phil is the long-lasting filler. It's got some bovine collagen in it and it's got PMMA. And once you place it in the face, it creates a natural biostimulating collagen rejuvenation effect, and it gives you a nice, soft, natural improvement in the skin, and gives you that little bit of lifting and tightening and that revolumizing that we all know that everyone loses volume beginning at age 28 and about a teaspoon a decade. So we're just putting a little bit back in her cheeks, and I'm using a cannula, and doesn't take long to do. Have to make an entry point with I numb her up, make an entry point with a little needle, and then slide this cannula where I want to place the product. And you doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you can see if when you're trying to pick this mid-face up, I'm trying to lay some threads of the product down just to help support this mid-face. Well, are you uncomfortable, Ann? I'm sure everybody's like freaking out watching me do this.
It's fine. It's no pain.
People always want to know how many syringes they need. And like I said, you lose about a teaspoon of volume every decade, beginning at approximately age 28. So it depends on which areas actually are losing volume, but most people, so when I finish, I will show. So what we're doing for her is trying to replace some of this mid-face volume. We're going to come back in a short period of time and replace some of this volume in the temple area. And her skin looks great on the lower, but you can see, and it'll settle down. She's a little bit puffier today than she's normally going to be because I put numbing. This is just where numbing went in. This is not the product here at all. So I layered the Bella Phil down in the mid-face just to help give it some support. And like that Nike swoop that you call it, it's very, very soft, very nice. We'll get a little ice pack on her, and then we're going to come back in a few weeks and put some volume replacement around the upper eye in the temporal area. And and don't forget Mother's Day, a great nice gift to give your mom. But come in for a consult. We'll talk about, usually I still preach the big threes, and that's skin integrity first. Get the skin in the best shape it needs to be in, then volumize, and then most of everyone needs some toxin to relax muscle expression. And that'll help you look younger. Thanks. Have a good weekend.